Her lace front is all wrong. Ooh, she ratchet.
You won't find nobody better than I. Who better than Kai? Rhetorical, don't need no reply. Nah. I'm sensual caramel with a touch of butter. Best of both worlds, sophisticated in them gutter.
Hi guys, it's Kyrie. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell right next to it so you can get notified every time your girl uploads a new video, which is absolutely every week. That is every Tuesday and Saturday. You guys get to see me and gonna give this video a thumbs up. You know it's gonna be lit. We get to on the pop, we keep it rocking. We ain't stopping, period. And the reason I didn't upload Tuesday is because, girl, somebody stole $800 off my bank card. Don't know how, because I have not been using my bank card. Now the one time I did use my bank card, it was at Walmart, and I think because, I don't know, somebody must have went into the system and got my credit card number. I don't know, but yeah, I've been going through a lot, a hell of a lot. But this is like the 4th or 5th time somebody has stolen my bank card information and have used it for their own personal gain, and I don't know what the point is. Anyways, y'all, so that's the reason I didn't upload Tuesday, because I've been going through a whole lot. Like 2020 is just not my jam. It's not my jam whatsoever, and I'm so over it. I'm so ready for 2020 to just, you know, go flutter by, butterfly. That's what we're waiting for 2020 to do. But anyway, I hope this lighting is okay, y'all. Today's video, we're gonna be doing another synthetic curly wig haul. I got another one from Aussie Queens. You guys know that I did 2 wig reviews that I had bought from Aussie Queen, and this first wig is another curly wig by Aussie. Got this one in an ash blonde color. This is the Aussie Queen's Afro wigs for black women, short, kinky, curly, full wig, and it's just this ashy blonde looking wig that we're gonna be trying on. I hope it kind of looks like the other one. It does come with a net on top of it, girl, the cafeteria lady net. So this one is much shorter than the other one that I had. This one is not as big. Y'all know I like big curly wigs that are, girl, they give me Shaka Khan or Diana Ross vibes. Doesn't stink like the last ones did. I feel like I'm gonna have to cut this and frame this to my face. So let me put it on and then we're gonna see first. Does come with the adjustable straps in the back. Y'all know I like the adjustable straps because you can tighten it to your desired tightness, and I love that because I like my wigs secure. So I be making them tight so it can stay on my head and not come off if the wind is blowing heavily. And it does come with 2 clamps in the front. Yeah, it's exactly like this wig right here. That's the expectation, and exactly how the expectation is, that is what you got for reality. OMG, what do she have? Oh, she ratchet. Oh, we're gonna have to do something about this. Look, why do I always do this to myself? And then this thing right here is irritating me. I'm gonna have to cut this off. Girl, she ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Ooh, she ratchet. Oh honey, I should just stuck with my normal color, because this right here is not it. What is it? What is it? What is it? Oh, who I sound like, y'all? I don't know. Ugh, what is this? This gonna have to grow on me. Maybe when I put my makeup on and stuff, it'll be cute, but right now she is not the business. She is not giving me no type of life. What is this? Now, see, y'all said the last video that the wig was cute, and I said it looked like a drunk auntie wig. Now, y'all know this one right here this wig look like somebody doped up auntie. This is not it. This is not it. How we gonna fix this, y'all? How are we gonna fix it? And don't y'all lie in the comments and talk about this wig is cute on me, because it's not. It's not. This one right here is not it. I'm gonna have to do something. I'm gonna have to do something to this to revamp this thing. Like the look of it, I just do not like the color. I should have done another color or something. Maybe it's gonna have to grow on me like the other one, y'all. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section. Let me take this off and we just gonna move on to the next one, because this right here is not it. Okay, so next one, this one is by, okay, so this brand is Fancy Hair, and it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like this, but I don't know. It was number $16, y'all. Was $16.99. So girl, I don't know. We finna try it on and see first. Okay, so she red, y'all. Like red. Like that Rihanna back in what year that was when Rihanna had that red wig on. We gonna put it on the screen, y'all. Oh my gosh. Ooh, child. Ooh, child. Let's hope this to get easier. Ooh, child. Let this not be brighter. So what is she giving? What is she giving us? Are we Riri? Are we gonna look like Riri with the wig on? We finna find out, because we finna put her on. Y'all, why I look like Ronald McDonald? This thing is not supposed to be the red. Wait a minute, she's starting to grow on me. I used to always wear red, and I just up and stop. Okay, see, what I'm gonna have to do with this one is pull some of these curls out on this one, because it looks so much better with the curls pulled out. Oh yeah. Okay, see, I like this one because it's different, and I've been wanting to wear some different color hair. She cute though. I like how airy this one is, but like I said, you know, this is one of the ones that I look like Rihanna when she had that red freaking hair. I hope I can find that picture, y'all. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? If I find that picture, I'm gonna put it on the screen, but if I don't, just know that I couldn't find the picture, y'all. Ooh, she's spicy. She's spicy. I see. So spicy. So spicy. I like her. She's cute. She is perfect for I like it for my complexion too, because it looks bomb against my complexion. This would look bomb on any complexion, to be honest. Love her. I love her. I don't even want to take her off. Alright, y'all, let's move on to this last one. But so far, this one is my favorite. So the last one is just this is Fancy Hair as well. Fancy Hair Short Kinky for black women, and this one is in the color 1B27. I think this is, yeah, both of these just the same wig. One of them is just in burgundy, and the other one is just in 1B27. She's simple, y'all. She a simple queen. Oh gosh, she is the bomb.com. Look at these curls. They look like Shirley Temple's curls. That's what I'm getting. I'm getting Shirley Temple curl. But she cute, y'all. I love this one because this one can be worn to work. I wouldn't wear it nowhere else. The only thing is I would try to make these dang curls. I'll puff out these curls because I like big hair. I'm falling. Look, y'all, I look drunk now and I messed it up. So it look like why do we look like Norman Freeman? Y'all know how Norman Freeman be looking with, be having that wig with that part in the middle like that. I love Norman Freeman. This is cute though, y'all. I just gotta fix it up how I had it when I first put it on, because I done funked it up now. Girl, you done funked it up. This one is cute, but that red one is still my favorite, because she was it. But that's it, y'all. These are all these wigs that I got. To me, it's always a disaster when I get these curly wigs until I fix them up and then make them frame them to my face, and then they be cute, because right now they ain't doing me no type of justice, but they cute. It's just I need to frame them. But that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Tell me which one was your favorite, and yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.